Hi, it's Riri Peaches, and I'm back with another Ipsy unboxing. This is for the month of June. So it's open, and I'll take out the first item. Sometimes they put things outside of the bag, outside of like the bag and in just the package if it's too big. Oh, this is an add-on, so I'll talk about that last. So I'll put that here. But first we have a brush. It's from, I think, the company Miss Glam. I have another brush that's by them. This one's a blush brush. And this looks like maybe a highlight brush. But I'll look at the card inside the bag, because usually they put one of those. This is the bag. It looks nice. It has like a little patch thing here. Oh, the zipper's cool. It's like blue and then it goes into like a yellowy green. This one's cool. Yeah, we have a card that should tell us each of the items inside. So I guess I'll see the card for the brush. So it says, your glam kit isn't complete without this sparkly and totally display-worthy small tapered brush. The soft synthetic bristles are perfectly designed for applying and blending pigments with precision and control. Plus, it's 100% cruelty-free. So it's it's called the Tapered Glam 5 brush. So it doesn't say like a specific thing it's used for, but it looks, I think it's like fairly firm, so I think it's not really a blush kind of brush, but it looks like it could be used for highlighter, or like powder or something. So, oh, it's got like some nice like gem things there. Oh yeah, my other brush also has that. So these are the two brushes as a comparison. This one's much like bigger for the bristles, but the actual brush handles are like the same size. And it's like pink and colorful, so it's nice. So inside the bag, I'll go to the next thing. Oh, this is in bubble wrap. Oh, this is from the brand Shades by Sean, I don't know. It's SHAN, and it says San Francisco. Oh, it's a nice like eyeshadow thing. It opens cool. It's like goes all the way back. It seems like nice colors. There's like a dark reddish brown and then a copper shimmery shade. Looks nice. I'll swatch it. The darker shade seems nice, the not shimmery one. It seems pretty pigmented. It's more of like not really a pinky color, but kind of pinky. Like a dark pinky brown. It's nice. I don't know if you can really see it on the camera. And then the other shade is shimmery, I think. Oh, this one's really nice. Yeah, it's very much like a copper. They seem like they would go together well. So on the card it says, it's an eyeshadow duo in the shades Tease and Self-Made. So it says, this mini but mighty eyeshadow duo is perfect for decking out your lid, crease, and lower lash line. The shimmery copper and matte red brown shades are richly pigmented, ultra blendable, and can be used to create an array of eye looks that transition from day to night. And I actually have the prices of it. Most of these are like deluxe sample sizes is what they're called, so it's like a sample of the full size. So the prices for the price for the eyeshadow duo, it's $12 and 1 gram per shade, and then this is 2.2 grams, so maybe this includes like the packaging, and that doesn't. So it says that so it'd probably be around $12. And then the brush is full size and it's $18.50. So the next item is a liquid lipstick, I think. yeah, it's a matte liquid lipstick. And it's in the color, the shade Slay All Day. Or maybe that's just, oh no, I think the shade is So Good, and then I don't know, it just says Slay All Day. And it's, yeah, the shade is So Good, and then it says, behold, the perfect lip color for June. This pinky brown shade is giving us all the early summer vibes. The highly pigmented velvet matte formula is ultra long lasting and feels comfy on your lips, so they're always soft. The packaging is cool. It's like plastic, but it's kind of the frosted. Like, look. So I'll open it, and it has a little applicator thing. It's kind of like a tilted, like a slanted applicator. The color seems nice. It's like a pinky, yeah, it described it as a pinky brown, and it kind of is that. It's not too brown, it's like more of a reddish color. And apparently, I think it dries matte, maybe? Yeah, it doesn't seem very glossy, but it doesn't seem too matte either. But it might be. Not very glossy, but also not extremely matte. So that's nice. So the full size is $7 and it's 6 milliliters, and this is 1.8 milliliters. So it ends up being around $2.10. Next is a this from the brand Fab Pharma, I think, or Fab, yeah, sorry, it's First Aid Beauty, and it's Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask, and it says to soothe and de-stress. So this is like so I don't think you actually wash this off. I think it's more of a cream kind of mask. And it says, sometimes our skin just needs to chill. Inspired by traditional pharmacy treatments, this nurturing mask is infused with a cocktail of potent herbal ingredients, like anti-inflammatory Arnica centella, I don't know, to soothe that stressed skin in just 15 minutes. So it seems to be, it's supposed to be like soothing. And I'll just open it up. It looks kind of blue. Yeah, it is a bit blue. You might not be able to see, but yeah, so that's nice. It has a scent to it. But yeah, so it is 0.34 ounces, and it's a sample. The full size is $42 for 3.4 ounces, so it ends up being around $4.20 in total for this size. And the final thing that's in the bag is a blush from The Balm, and this is in the shade Bourbon. Now, I actually have this already from a previous Ipsy thing, the same shade, so this is like the one I have from before. It's kind of like a pinky brown shade. Yeah, I like the shade a lot. It's nice. But yeah, now I have a second one. The packaging seems slightly different for this one. It's more like sturdy. So it says, we're always excited when a product from The Balm comes across our desks, and this matte finish blush has quickly become our new go-to. The versatile deep rose shade goes from work to weekend, plus it's long-lasting, blends with no streaks, and totally buildable. So yeah, it's a nice blush. The full size is like, it has multiple shades in it. It has 4 shades and it's 8 grams, so $2 per shade. So it ends up being $7.10 per shade. And this is 2.2 grams, and each of those would be 2 grams, so this ends up being around $7. So the total cost of the whole bag, like the price that each of it is worth by like the full size, is $44 in USD. So the add-on I got, it's around $4 Canadian, and each of the add-ons, they're different prices. It goes from like $3 to $9, and then like there's more expensive ones too. This is $3, and it's from the brand YC Collection. So I wonder what this will look like, because on the website I remember it looked very shimmery, but on like Ipsy's website it just looked like not too shimmery, so we'll find out. But the packaging is nice. It's like pink and then goes to like ombre. So it has an applicator like this. This is a cream blush. And I'll swatch it. Oh, it looks nice. Yeah, it is shimmery. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's the top one. It is shimmery. And it seems like just like a pink color. So blend it out. Yeah, it's like a pretty light pink, not too light. It blends out nicely. The texture's nice, but yeah, it's very shimmery. And on the website it says, serious pigment meets serious hydration. This liquid blush infuses cheeks with a pop of shimmery pink color, plus long-lasting moisture thanks to vitamin E and plant oils. So it's a cream blush, so you can like use your fingers or a brush to apply it. And yeah, it seems pretty shimmery, but not too much. And yeah, it seems nice. So the June bag ended up being $44 without the add-on, like not including the add-on. It ended up being worth that price by like the cost of each item, but the actual price of it was it ends up being $14 USD and like around $18 I think, or $20 Canadian, something in between that range. So I think that it's a nice bag. Like this, I already had the blush and the blush is not looking like it's running out really. But the mask seems nice. It seems like it's not really like a mask, but more of like a cream kind of thing. And the liquid lipstick seems like it's a nice color too. It did end up drying pretty matte. And the brush, I like the brush a lot. I think that it'd be a nice highlighter brush. And it looks cool. It's like shiny. And the blush I think I'll like, hopefully. It seems like a nice color. And the eyeshadow duo also seems nice. The mask was really good. Like it worked really well. I'm not sure exactly what it was meant to do, but it helped with like acne and stuff. The brush seems to be like a bit expensive, but it's also cheaper than some brushes. The lipstick is $2.10. The mask is $4.20. The blush is $7.10. I don't know if this would really be $7. It seems like it's a nice color and stuff. But this would also be in a palette for the full size, so it'd be slightly different. But overall, I do think it's a nice bag. I don't know if it would really be worth $44. Most of it is because of the brush that's bringing it up to that price, because without it, it'd be like $22. You also do get a nice bag with it. This bag seems to be like, there's a lot of stuff that they kind of added to it. There's the like little patch over here, it like sticks out. And then the zipper seems nice. Usually they don't do like a different colored zipper. And they have the little tag that says Ipsy. So that's nice. And inside is like a coral color. Like it seems like a very nice bag. I'm excited to try the blush and pretty much all of these, except this blush because I already have that. But yeah, it is a nice blush. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and bye.